Hi guys, welcome to the first car audio show with Car Freaks. Doing a whopper, good old Citroen. They've made a tiny one here, haven't they? Little AMI it's called. Suicide door for the driver's door. Has no audio system, so the customer came to us and asked us if we could fit one. So we thought, well, we like a challenge, so come in closer and have a look. We've put a nice Bluetooth system in. Connect your phone and then away you go. You can play to your heart's content. So let's take you around the back where the fun stuff happens. So customer had a Genesis amp and he needed it fitted along with his speakers that he had and his subs. So there's the Genesis amp. He put a nice amp rack in. We also advised the customer that he fitted a second 12 volt battery, as it's fully electric and it has a small 12 volt battery, so he's got a dedicated battery just for the audio. Fused off, everything's running. He's got two 6.5 inch Voci Audison speakers in the front, in the footwell, and then two JBLs in the back. So let's have a look where they are. So, as you can see, two 6.5 inch Voci speakers in a box. Customer made the box, we just upgraded the box by putting connections in, and we'll show you that in another video, maybe one day. Then in the back, behind the two seats, which are like go-kart seats, but there's two JBL 8 inch subs, all connected up to the Genesis amp. Sounds amazing. Okay, if you like the video, you like what we do, click the subscribe button and we'll see you on the next one.